most people will have a fuse board that looks a bit like this in their offices. Inside you'll have a series of switches along here to try and reduce the risk of fire, also save electricity bills a little bit. We need to have a look at isolating some of these circuits. If we have a system like this, it's a simple case of flicking a switch, not too bad. We don't want to be isolating any critical circuits. Like we can see here, we've got intruder alarm, we've got fire alarm, we've got lighting circuits which have got emergency lights on them. We don't want to be isolating them, whereas we could, in our building, if we were not using it, we could isolate the roller shutter, we could isolate the toilet heater, we could isolate the water heater in the kitchen. That's a good one. We're not going to isolate the kitchen sockets because we don't want our fridge freezer to defrost and cause another problem. We've got our training room sockets. So where is that? I can't find it, but we have a separate socket for the training room. So when you're isolating your electrics, just consider, what do I need? Do I have a server on any of the office sockets? Do I have a fire alarm, intruder alarm? These sort of simple but essential circuits need to be maintained. All the rest of them, you're reducing the risk of fire, keeping your insurance valid, keeping your building safe. Cheers.